the most demanded skill in 2026. What if I told you there's one skill in 2026 that can completely change your future? A skill that people are using to make money online, grow businesses, and even get better jobs. And the crazy part is, you don't need a degree to start learning it. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or someone who wants to earn online, this video could be the turning point for you. Because today, we're talking about the most demanded skill in 2026. AI skills. Part 1. What are AI skills? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a future technology. It's already changing the world right now. Tasks that used to take hours can now be done in minutes using AI. For example, content writing, video editing, graphic designing, coding voice-overs, business automation. But here's the truth. AI is not replacing humans. People who know how to use AI are replacing those who don't. Part 2. Why is this skill so demanded? So why are AI skills becoming so valuable? There are three major reasons. Number 1. Time saving. Companies want people who can work faster and smarter. AI makes that possible. Number 2. The online business boom. Almost every business is moving online. They need content, ads, videos, designs, and automation. Number 3. Freelancing opportunities. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of AI-related jobs right now. People are making money through AI content, writing, AI thumbnail, design, AI video creation, chat, GPT services, AI automation. Part 3. Best AI skills to learn. If you're a beginner, don't worry. You can start with simple AI skills like 1. Prompt engineering. This means giving smart instructions to AI tools, and right now, it's one of the hottest skills online. 2. AI content creation. Using tools like ChatGPT to create scripts, blogs, captions, social media posts. 3. AI video editing. Creating professional videos using CapCut Canva, AI editing tools for AI graphic designing, making thumbnails, logos, and social media graphics. 5. AI automation, helping businesses automate repetitive tasks. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding expert to start. Part 4. How to learn this skill. Now the big question, how do you actually learn AI skills? Here's a simple roadmap. Step 1. Spend at least 1 hour daily learning. Step 2. Watch free tutorials on YouTube. Step 3. Choose one skill first, like AI video editing or AI content writing. Step 4. Practice consistently. Even free projects will help you improve. Step 5. Build your portfolio and start offering services on Fiverr or Upwork. Remember, consistency beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. In 2026, the people who grow the fastest will be the ones who learn modern skills. AI is not a threat. It's an opportunity. And if you start learning today, you could start earning online within months. If you want more videos about AI skills, online earning, freelancing, content creation, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to Focus Forg. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.